Why did the Biden administration allow the Venezuelan, the people from Nicaragua, the Haitians to come over here? Why? Because the U.S. have destroyed the country.
Right.
The U.S. have destroyed Venezuela.
Right.
The U.S. have destroyed the Haitian people, man. They destroyed the economy.
That's right.
They destroyed our security. And now the same country, the same government who destroyed Venezuela, who destroyed Nicaragua, who destroyed Haiti, that same government is gonna say, now, you know what? I know I destroy your country, but you can come over here and work for minimum wage. That's what the Biden administration did. And now, what is the Trump administration doing, man? Because that white man is such a devil, man.
Right.
Listen to this, read.
Trump ends TPS for Haitians. More than 500,000 people now face deportation.
More than 500,000 families, man. More than 500,000 people are now facing deportation, man. Why? Because the oppressor is the devil that the Bible speaks of.
Right.
Man. If it wasn't for America, the Haitian will never put foot on this land, man.
That's right.
You know how beautiful Haiti is?
Right.
You know how beautiful the island. I'm from Haiti. You know how beautiful Haiti is. You know how beautiful Venezuela is.
Right.